Hello everyone, how are you? Alright, in this video we are going to learn how to simplify algebraic expressions involving complex fractions like this. Okay, so for example, if you have these expressions here, okay, as you can see your numerator here, you have fractions. Okay, so we can get rid of these 5 here. Okay, there's a way to do that. Okay, we can, for example, if you have a fraction, for example 1/2, this one we can change the form by multiplying this one with 4 times 4 times 4, right? Okay, so this is equals to 4/8. So the values are the same, isn't it? Okay, so we can change the form. You also can do, for example, 1/2 times maybe 7/7. Okay, because this part here is actually 1. So when you times 7/7, you will get 7/14. This one, when you simplify, you will still get 1/2. Okay, so you're allowed to do that in fractions, but whenever you want to multiply, make sure you multiply to both numerator and denominator. Okay, so in this case, what I can do here, we can multiply this numerator here by 5. Okay, there's a reason why we multiply by 5, so that when you multiply by 5, let's say for example here, right, when you multiply with these terms here, these 5 here, you can cancel it. Okay, so which means after that, after you multiply, there's no more fractions. Okay, we will see how it works. Okay, so remember, when you want to multiply by 5, you have to multiply both numerator and denominator. So down here, I also need to multiply by 5. Okay, so maybe I write here, I put here times 5 and here also times 5. Okay, so after you multiply, what you will get is 5 times 3 is 15. You expand them, so it's 15. And then here, 5 times this thingy here, so what you will get is 5 times 2x minus 2 over 5, right? Okay, and this 5 you can cancel. You see, there's no more fractions. Okay, so from here, what you will get is, once you cancel off, the remaining is 2x minus 2. So we will write here plus 2x minus 2 over, now, the denominator here, 5 times 2x is 10x. So you can write 10x. And then 5 times 3 is 15. Or maybe you can just leave it like this, 5 times 2x plus 3. Leave it like that, yeah? So after that, 15 minus 2 is 13. So we get 13 plus 2x over 5 bracket 2x plus 3. Done. Yeah? Is that okay? Okay. We will see again another example. Okay, question number 2 here. Let's say you have like this. Okay, as you can see here, we have one fraction here at the numerator. We can get rid of this x plus 2 here. How? We multiply all of this numerator by x plus 2. Remember, when you want to multiply, you have to multiply both numerator and denominator. So down here, you multiply with x plus 2 as well. Okay, so let's see what happened after you multiply with x plus 2. Okay, this part here, x plus 2 times 2x plus 2, what you will get here is 2x plus 2 times x plus 2. As you can see here, this one you can cancel off, right? So what remains here is just 2. So we write here 2. And for this times this one, so you need to expand a little bit. 3 times x plus 2. 3 times x plus 2 is 3 times x is 3x plus 6, right? 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so we write that here, 3x plus 6. You get it? For the denominator, we do not need to expand, just leave it like that. So 4x times x plus 2. Okay, I think we can simplify our numerator here because we have like terms. 2 plus 6, which is 8. So the answer is 8 plus 3x over 4x x plus 2. That's it. Okay? If you can, that's it, right? Because we can't factorize this. So yeah, that's it. This is the simplest form. Okay? I hope you understand. So to get rid of this x plus 2, just multiply with x plus 2. Because when you multiply with x plus 2, you can cancel it off. So no more fractions. Okay, so we see again, next example. Okay, what happens if we have like this? Okay, when you look at our numerator here, we have this fraction here, 5x minus 3. Okay, the denominator of this fraction is 5x minus 3. So how to get rid of that? We just multiply by all of these. You multiply by 5x minus 3. Okay, we'll see what happened later. So here, down here, denominator, you also multiply by 5x minus 3. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, so here you have two terms, one here and the other one is there. Okay, for this and this, what you will get is x 5x minus 3. So when you expand one by one, what you will get is 5x squared, right? X times negative 3 is negative 3, right? So I'll write here 5x squared minus 3x. Okay, for the second term here, when we multiply 2x plus 3 over 5x minus 3, we will get 5x minus 3. Sorry, when you multiply with 5x minus 3, then what we get is we cancel these two, right? So remains here is 2x plus 3. So you just write here plus 2x plus 3. Do you see it? Okay, first is this times this. So you will get these two. Okay, and then the second one is this with this, where you cancel off these two and then you get 2x plus 3 only here. Okay, for the denominator, you do not need to expand. So we'll see here we get x minus 5, 5x minus 3. Okay, so we do have like terms here. Negative 3x plus 2 is negative x. So I'll combine that. We will get 5x squared minus x plus 3 over x minus 5, 5x minus 3. Okay, that's the final answer. Is that okay? Can we factorize the numerator? Let me check here. I don't think so. Okay, that's it. That's it. If you can factorize this numerator here, we still have to factorize that part. Okay, so in this case, that's it. All right, that's how you do. See, from this, it becomes like that. Okay, so normally fractions, we don't write the numerator here as fraction. Okay, so fraction just like a over b. So if you have like this form a over b over c, you need to simplify. Okay, we do not write fractions in fractions. Okay, so you have to simplify that part. Okay, move on. Let's see two more examples. Okay, look at this question. Okay, when you look here, now your denominator here, you have fraction, right? So to get rid of this 3, well, we can just, times 3, right? Times 3. Here also you times 3. For the numerator here, maybe we can just, no need to expand, we just leave it like that. 3x minus 5, and then over, okay, this part here, when 3 times 2x over 3, 2x over 3 times 3, this one you can cancel. So what remains here is just 2x, so you get 2x. And then 3 times 6 here is 18. Okay, 2x and 18 still can be factorized. So I think the common factor is 2. So we write here 3 bracket 3x minus 5. And then our denominator now becomes 2x plus 9. Okay, that's it. Okay, now one more example. Okay, last one. Now look at this question number 5 here. When we observe our fractions here, okay, we have our denominator here, we have x plus 7 over 3x minus 5. So to get rid of this 3x minus 5, we can just times the whole denominator by 3x minus 5. Okay, must multiply both numerator and denominator, so we get 3x minus 5. Okay, so once you multiply like this, Okay, this is 3x minus 5 times 3x minus 5. Normally, if you have a times a, you get a square, right? 3x minus 5, and here also 3x minus 5. So what we get here is 3x minus 5 square over, okay, now this one, this times this, you can cancel, right? What remains here? X plus 7. So we write there x plus 7. Is that okay? For this times this one, cut this. Okay, for this times this, what you get is 3x minus 5. So when you expand, you get 6x minus 10. So I write here plus 6x minus 10. Okay, so let's simplify further, or here our denominator. So for the top one, we just copy 3x minus 5 square over, okay, we have like terms here, x plus 6x, which is 7x, and then 7 minus 10 is negative 70. My god, 7 minus 10 is negative 3, isn't it? Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's how you simplify these algebraic expressions when it involves complex fraction like this, yeah? Okay, so yeah, I hope with these 5 examples, after this, if you have you know, complex fractions like this, hopefully you can simplify. Okay, students, okay, so that's it about this video. I'll see you again in my next video, yeah? All right, goodbye everyone.